Good morning, everyone. Okay, so guys, today we have done in the yesterday's session. I think previous session we had done with all the scheduling algorithms, right? Name the scheduling algorithms quickly. Name the scheduling algorithms one by one. Name the scheduling algorithms we are having. Yes, yes, yes. First come, first serve. Shortest job first. Shortest remaining time next. Round robin. Yes. Then priority scheduling, primitive and non-primitive. Correct. So we have done with each scheduling algorithm with us. So today we will going to perform. Today you will going to practice some competitive exams questions, some previous year questions that comes into your competitive exams, mainly in your GATE exams. The scheduling algorithms we are having each time, each year you will get one or two questions on this topic. So I'm just here with some questions that you will going to perform today that has been comes in your competitive exams. So let me show you those questions first. Okay, the first question. Now, these are the only questions then you can perform. Here's the first question. Start doing first question. Options I'm giving you here is screen is visible to everyone. Yes. Start doing it. Are you getting what you need to find out? क्या find out करना है आपको? In first question, what you need to find out? If the primitive shortest remaining time first scheduling algorithm is used to schedule the processes, then the average waiting time across all the processes is dash milliseconds. So what you need to find out for the given question? Average waiting time? Find out. Do it. He says, what is the answer for first question? Yes, guys, only one person is doing. Yes, Nishita, Darshil. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हो गया है सबका? Yes, Nishita, what is your answer? Briz,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done?
Ma'am, doing.
Do it. Gaurav,
Doing, ma'am.
do it, do it. Whosoever is done with first question, do the second one. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अभी तक नहीं हुआ, इतना टाइम ले रहे हो तुम लोग सॉल्व करने में? हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? वेरी सिंपलेस्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाई इट इज 4.5? 4.5 कैसे आ रहा है आप लोगों का? क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? What is the exit time of the last process for the first question? 17. And which is the last process that you have been executed? P3. Then how the waiting time, average waiting time is 4.5. It is 3. What is the exit time of P1? What is the exit time of P1, P2, P3 and P4? What we are doing here, for P1 it is 12, for P2 it is 6, for P3 it is 17, for P4 it is 8. Then how you are finding it is 4.5? Okay, let me exit time. Okay, you are doing okay. 12, 6, 17 and 8. Let me draw the chart now so that you can able to verify. ऊपर बनाते हैं. जीरो पे P1 1 सेकेंड 3 सेकेंड्स के लिए, क्योंकि 3 सेकेंड तक दूसरा प्रोसेस आया ही नहीं, तो बर्स्ट टाइम कितना रहेगा 4 यूनिट्स. देन P2 for 2 यूनिट्स. ठीक है, तो P1 तो कंप्लीट ही हो गया है. अगेन P2 for 1 यूनिट. ठीक है, फिर is also done. Then P4 done. Then P1 screen is not visible. Give me a minute then. 12 and then P3 it is 17. Is it visible? Okay. चार्ट समझ में आ गया सबको? ये यहाँ तक करेक्ट है सबका? सबका चार्ट ड्रॉ हो गया है एवरीवन? So this is the exit time according to the chart, right? What is the turnaround time? Exit time minus arrival time. So it is 12, 6 minus 3, 3, 17 minus 5, 12, 8 minus 6, 2. What is the waiting time? That is turnaround time minus burst time. So 12 minus 7, 5, 3 minus 3, 0, 12 minus 5, 7, 2 minus 2, 0. Total is 12, average is 3. How it is 4.5? हुआ क्या सबका ये क्वेश्चन? क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? वेरी सिंपलेस्ट वन. क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है इस क्वेश्चन में? सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है. नेक्स्ट करो चलो. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्लियर है सबको? सेकंड करो. क्वेश्चन क्या है? कंसीडर द सेट ऑफ प्रोसेसेस विद अराइवल टाइम and burst time, and the priority is 0 is the highest priority. See, it is given, right? 0 means highest priority. So, and also mentioned that none of the processes have input and output burst time. So it is, I already said to you that this is our pre-assumptions during CPU scheduling कि आपका सारा का सारा time screen is not visible. Is it visible now? Okay. Okay. So we pre-assume that already in the CPU scheduling algorithm that the whole time required for the process is for the CPU waiting time and the CPU execution time. So the last line represents only this thing here. So what you need to find out the average waiting time for all the processes using primitive priority scheduling algorithm. Do it. I'm expecting the correct answer from everyone this time. तो वो बिल्कुल सिंपल से क्वेश्चन है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आप लोगों ने किया नहीं है क्लास में. जल्दी से आंसर बताइए सेकंड क्वेश्चन का. डू इट, डू इट. Yes, what is the answer for second question? किसका हो गया सेकंड क्वेश्चन? Yes, guys, quick. Yes, Parita. What is your answer?
Ma'am, doing.
Do it. Who has done? Om. Waiting time 30.6. ओके, बाकी लोग? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. Riya and Suchi, very good. 29 is the correct answer. Very good. Do the third question. Third question करिए. For the second question, 29 is the correct answer. May I discuss the second question with you? There's a need. If you want, I will discuss the second question until you will perform third one. Do it. करिए थर्ड क्वेश्चन फटाफट से. Yes, whosoever is done with third, what is the answer for third question? किसी का हुआ है? Okay, do it. पार्थ क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, चेक करो. The question, third question, you need to find out turnaround time. Very good. Turnaround time is 8.25. 8.25. Very good. Very good. Very good. Correct answers. Everybody is done with third question. Okay. Go ahead. Next question. Do this question first. To the fourth question. Let me know the answer. The correct answer for third question is 8.25 is correct. Second solve, please. Yes. I'll solve the second one. Until do the fourth question. Do it. पार्थ ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो पहले, फिर मैं सेकंड क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करती हूँ. ओके. Do it. You can see it's very simplest questions there, and these questions has in came in your gate examinations in 2016, 18, 17 in your recent papers. So if you know the concept, you can easily solve these questions. Do it. See, user has already given the answer. C option. Okay. Waiting for others. Yes, guys, quick. Do it. Very good. Very good. Good. Few of you have started giving your answers for fourth question. Option C is the correct answer. The completion order for three processes for first policy, first come, first serve. It is P1, P2, and P3. And for round robin, it is P1, P3, and P2. That is C option. Correct? Okay, let us discuss the second question first. As per Parth is, I think, having some issue. So then you will do the next question. I think Parth in this question. Okay. We are having consider this is parity, this is the highest parity, right? And this is the minimum one. As per given, 0 is having highest priority. And we need to implement primitive priority scheduling here. Okay. So let us draw the chart first. एट टाइम 0 P1, तो P1 को ही पहले शेड्यूल करेंगे कितने सेकंड के लिए, नेक्स्ट 2 फॉर 2 सेकंड्स ना, तो ऑलरेडी बर्स्ट टाइम इसका क्या हो जाएगा 9, ठीक है। जैसे ही 2 सेकंड्स पे P4 एंटर होता है तो कंपेयर करो प्रायोरिटीज को 2 and 1, तो 1 which is having maximum P4 को पहले शेड्यूल किया जाएगा, ठीक है। P4 को शेड्यूल कर देते हैं, कितने सेकंड के लिए शेड्यूल कर सकती हूँ, नेक्स्ट इनकमिंग इज P2, it is at 5 second, so at till 5, let me use another marker, ठीक है। 5 तक मींस 3 सेकंड के लिए मैंने P4 को एग्जीक्यूट कर दिया है, तो रिमेनिंग इज 7, क्लियर। आफ्टर 3 seconds at 5, which process arrives, P2 having maximum priority as compared to P4 and P1, तो P2 को शेड्यूल करेंगे कितने सेकंड के लिए, नेक्स्ट P5 एंटर हो रहा है 9 सेकंड्स पे, तो 9 तक P2 को मैंने चलाया, P2 की रिक्वायरमेंट कितनी 28, so I just executed it for 4 seconds, so it is remaining is 24, fine. Next one is till after 9 सेकंड पे P5 एंटर हुआ है, तो P5 एंटर हुआ है और P2 और P5 में से किसकी ज्यादा है प्रायोरिटी, ऑलरेडी P2 की, तो P2 एग्जीक्यूट होगा, राइट, क्योंकि 9 सेकंड तक अभी P3 नहीं आया है, तो P2 एग्जीक्यूट होगा फिर से कितने सेकंड्स के लिए, जब तक P3 एंटर नहीं होता, तो टिल 12, कितने सेकंड के लिए और एग्जीक्यूट किया, 3 सेकंड के लिए, तो 21 इज स्टिल रिमेनिंग। अब सबके सब प्रोसेस सिस्टम में अराइव हो चुके हैं, इज इट फाइन पार्थ, तो अभी सबको प्रायोरिटी के अकॉर्डिंगली शेड्यूल कर दो, मैक्सिमम किसकी है P2 की, फिर P4 की, देन P1, आफ्टर P3 और लास्ट में P5, दिस इज द प्रायोरिटी सीक्वेंस वी आर हैविंग, इज इट राइट, वेरीफाई करो भाई, दिस इज द राइट सीक्वेंस, P2 P4 P1 P3 एंड P5, देन P2 सबसे पहले एग्जीक्यूट होगा, रिमेनिंग कितना है 21, तो 21 प्लस 12 3 and 3, done. After P4 की रिक्वायरमेंट कितनी है, 7 सेकंड इज रिमेनिंग, 33 प्लस 7 40, P2 P4 हो गया, P1 will be executed next for how much seconds, remaining is 9, then 49, after P1 P3 will be executed for how much seconds, 2 seconds, it is 51, then P5 will be executed, that is the requirement 16, so 6 7 and 6, done. So I think this is the chart for this question, kindly verify everyone, is it the correct chart, वेरीफाई कर लो भाई, सबके सब यही आ रहा है आप लोगों का भी, so here you can find the exit time for each process, हर एक प्रोसेस का एग्जिट टाइम देख लेते हैं पार्थ। P1 का क्या है 49, P2 का 33, P3 का 51, P4 का 40 और P5 का 67, right? The same way you can find the turnaround time, that is exit time minus arrival time, and then you will find the average, divide by 5, not 4 here. Is it clear? Okay. So this is the last question for all of you. Do this and let me know the answers. Which option is the correct option? A, B, C, or D? Do it. Do it. Which option is the correct option? Do this numerical. You think? What do you mean by you think? Give the sure answer. Ensure yourself and then give the answer part. Yes, yes, do it. Quick. जल्दी से बताइए भाई आंसर लास्ट क्वेश्चन का. Which one is the correct answer between four options? SJ, Rishabh, what is the answer for each scheduling algorithm you get? Turnaround time. Yes, guys, quick. For first come first serve it is 5, for round robin it is 6.25, and for SJF and SRTN doing okay. What about others? Miloni, Ria, Paz, Juzer, Savan, do it. Until you are performing, let me take the attendance. Mehak,
Present, ma'am.
Vrunda,
Yes, ma'am.
Juzer,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Vishwaraj,
Present, ma'am.
Vasu, Mang,
Present, ma'am.
Dhruv, Vishwa, Nirav, Vidhi,
Yes, ma'am.
Briz,
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya,
Present, ma'am.
Vatsal,
Yes, ma'am.
Ishan, Manthan,
Yes.
Jinal.
Yes, ma'am.
मंथन हो गए आपके क्वेश्चंस? Yes, Manthan,
Yes, ma'am.
you have done with each question.
Yes, ma'am. करो हो चलो बाकी है चलो लास्ट
करिए जल्दी. Vasu,
Present, ma'am.
Paz,
Present, ma'am.
Anas,
Present, ma'am.
Rupali,
Yes, ma'am.
Anjan,
Present, ma'am.
Ramesh,
Present, ma'am.
Ruchi,
Yes, ma'am.
Anand,
Yes, ma'am.
Mitali,
Yes, ma'am.
Jay,
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavin,
Yes, ma'am.
Bhautik, Raj, Darshil,
Present, ma'am.
Annie, Jay,
Yes, ma'am.
Alvish,
Yes, ma'am.
Ria, Harshil, Sanjay,
Present, ma'am.
Raj, Gaurav,
Present, ma'am.
Avni,
Present, ma'am.
Poojan, Vartika,
Yes, ma'am.
Nisargi,
Yes, ma'am.
Himali,
Yes, ma'am.
Yash.
Ma'am, 102 present.
Poojan, have you done with the questions?
Doing,
Yes,
ma'am.
Poojan. Doing? And other 4? First 4 you have done, Poojan? Poojan, I'm asking from you. Poojan, are you there? Poojan was absent, I think, na? Yash,
Present, ma'am.
Kevin,
Yes, ma'am.
Ayur,
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham,
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham 121,
Yes, ma'am.
Kunj,
Yes, ma'am.
Devan,
Present, ma'am.
Nihil,
Yes, ma'am.
Jay, Rahul,
Yes, ma'am.
Rishabh,
Yes, ma'am.
Sadachiv,
Yes, ma'am.
Aditi, Shibu,
Yes, ma'am.
Shilpi,
Present, ma'am.
Sonakshi,
Yes, ma'am.
Sunita,
Yes, ma'am.
Vipul, Devarsh, Om,
Yes, ma'am.
Mihir,
Present, ma'am.
Mansi,
Yes, ma'am.
Nishita,
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham, Rishabh, Paras,
Present, ma'am.
Sameer,
Present, ma'am.
Sunita,
Yes, ma'am.
Divya,
Present, ma'am.
Parth,
Present, ma'am.
Harita,
Present, ma'am.
Avan,
Present, ma'am.
Astha,
Present, ma'am.
Nirzar, Viraj,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Nisha, Shifa,
Yes. Present, ma'am.
Jay.
Present, ma'am.
Is last question you have done? What is the answer for 5th question? The correct answer for 5th question is D. That is SRTN, shortest remaining time next. So we are closing the session here with this. I hope you can attempt all the questions of scheduling algorithms now.